This is about to be the best unboxing that I have ever done on my YouTube channel. Hi guys, what's up? It's Bella. Welcome back to my channel. If you've never seen me before, thanks for joining in and tuning into this video. It's a good one to tune into because today's video is brought to you by FabFitFun. I have loved FabFitFun for so long and I'm so excited that they are working with me on today's video of their summer box. There's so many goodies in this box to talk about and dive into, and I'm so pumped. FabFitFun is a fully customizable subscription box with full-size beauty products. So it could be hair care, makeup, skincare, literally anything that is just so girlified, it's gonna be in this box. You have the option to do an annual and also a seasonal subscription, so it's kind of up to you if you want one box per season or if you just want to opt in for that specific season. You guys know I am such a big shopper, and the fact that I get something delivered to my door that is customized and curated for me is like the best part about it. Like, I'm getting things from, you know, home, makeup, skincare, all of the things, and it's coming in one box, which just like makes me so happy. Like, it's amazing. I do have two separate codes for you guys. So the first one is going to be ISABELLAFFF, and that's going to be a seasonal promotion code. That's going to get you 20% off your first box when you sign up as a seasonal member. Not to mention that the box is valued up to $350. And if you guys are interested in becoming an annual member, I have the code ISABELLAFFGIFT. That'll get you a free gift. I'm gonna have a link down below for you guys to click on if you're interested, and also the codes down below as well. I'm so excited to go through this box, so let's get into it. Here is the beautiful box that we have for summer 2024 with FabFitFun. It is a beautiful tan box, hence the freaking slogan on the front of it. It says, "This box just got a tan." I was able to pick every single thing that I wanted in this box because it is fully customizable, but I haven't taken a peek yet, so I kind of forgot everything that I picked to put in here. All right, here we go. I'm so excited. I love a good haul. Honestly, this box is so nice on the inside. I kind of like don't want to get rid of it. Oh, I see so many good things in here. So excited. I'm gonna like not look in here and just kind of feel around and pick whatever I feel. First up, we have the Amika Smooth Over Frizz Fighting Treatment. And if you cannot tell, I have a lot of frizz going on. I don't know why my hair like literally just like cannot stay down. I'm pretty sure that has to do with the Florida humidity because it's absolutely wild here, and I definitely need this. It's a 60-second at-home treatment that reduces frizz and blocks humidity while boosting shine and delivering healthier looking hair. Sign me up, literally I need this. And where was this like 5 years ago when I moved to Florida? So how to use this: after you cleanse and condition your hair, you're gonna squeeze excess water and then fully saturate the product from mid to end. Wait a minute and then rinse, and then you're gonna heat style for best results. And typically, like every time I get out of the shower, I do like dry my hair. I also need to do like an updated hair care routine, and I definitely feel like I'm gonna like this, so I'll let you guys know how I love it. But let's give it a little smell. I'm gonna open the top so we can smell it. Kind of has like a little bit of like a coconut fresh smell. Can you smell that? That smells really good. I do use a few things from Amika. I use like the little blue product that you put in your hair at night. I think it's called like the Dream Routine, and I love it. It really makes my hair super soft, so I'm super excited to try this, and I freaking love the bottle. I actually cannot wait to smell this, so we're gonna go ahead and just go in for it. This is the Homesick candle. It's a scented candle with natural soy wax blend. Opening the box, there's quite literally nothing like lighting a candle right when you wake up or right before you go to bed and just like setting the mood, putting a nice little fresh scent in the air. It's elite. Okay. Oh my god, I can smell it. Ah. Cheers to you. Citrus and peony. Oh my gosh. That's actually so good. It's definitely very fresh. It definitely has like a little bit of floral scent, but it's like very not overpowerful at all. That is going to be a really good one. It has like a very like warm feeling to it. I've never tried anything from the brand Homesick, and that's like another thing that I love about FabFitFun. I'm able to try like a ton of different brands and things that I might not have ever found, and it just opens you to like an array of new products. Next up, we're going to go in with this bad boy. I love Fun Boy. I have a few Fun Boy floats at my parents' house for their pool, and they're just the best. So when I saw this on there, I was like, this is absolutely one thing that I have to put in my box this summer, and it's the Fun Boy Poolside Leisure Club Beach Towel, and it's beautiful, and we're gonna open it. As most of you guys know, I do live in Tampa, Florida, and I live like right where the St. Pete Bridge is. So I'm 20 minutes to St. Pete, which is the closest beach, and it's amazing. And now that it's summer, I need a cute beach towel to match all my bikinis. I feel like it's a universal thing, but like growing up, we always had like the worst beach towels like from Costco. They were like good quality, but they never looked pretty, and I only have now one pretty beach towel. And I'm excited for that because I feel like they always have like the weirdest designs on them. But this one is very much so fun and beautiful. It's a really nice pink towel with a cream background, and it kind of has like squiggles all around it. It's super soft, and on the corner of it has Fun Boy and this beautiful teal lettering. This is extremely soft. I feel like this is going to be the most perfect beach towel ever. Maybe I'll go to the beach soon in a vlog, and I'm definitely going to be taking this towel with me, so be sure to stay tuned for that. I always find a reason to not go to the beach just because sand in my car, but I need to get over that fear because it's perfectly normal to get sand all over yourself and in your car. I don't know. Like, you would think, like, living here, I go to the beach all the time, but I go to the pool more. So this is gonna go to the pool with me and the beach. I'm gonna go to the beach, I promise. I picked up 2 things from the brand Boca. I was super interested in their brand. So I got the Nano Hydroxy Apatite toothpaste. I think that's how you say it. And it's going to be a whitening toothpaste, and it's the scent Element. That's pretty cool. So I'm gonna try this. I actually just ran out of toothpaste this morning, so this is like perfect. Good timing. Ooh, it smells really good. Oh my gosh. That's like a very clean mint. You can tell like there's no like crazy filler ingredients in it. It's just like straight like mint. Yeah, I really like that a lot. NH8, which is the Nano Hydroxy Petite whatever thing that I could not pronounce, is a revolutionary material with a wide use in dentistry and oral health because of its safety. It's like free of all the really bad things that you would not want to put in your mouth, so I'm excited to try this. And to pair with it, I got their little stainless steel tongue cleaner. I have one and I just like don't like it, and I don't think it like really works well for me, so when I saw this I was like, okay, this is perfect. I'm gonna get this one, and it comes in a little baggie, which is super nice for traveling. The one that I have right now is just like a simple, like you hold it and then it has like the end on it, but this one I like better because it's like wider than that other small one, but also you can hold it with 2 hands. Basically, a tongue scraper is like the best way to get rid of bad breath and all of the germs that are on your tongue throughout the day. So you just go like this and you pull it down. I'm not gonna do it because it's really gross, but it works super, super, super well. I've heard really good things about it. I'm excited to try this one. I'm gonna put a review of all these products down below for you guys in the description box so you can literally know what to get in your FabFitFun box for the summer. I'm traveling this weekend to South Carolina for my birthday to visit my boyfriend, and this is definitely coming with me, especially in this little baggie. Okay, we've got 2 things left. We're gonna try this perfume because you guys know I love a good perfume. This is from Vacation, and I've been seeing this brand honestly everywhere, like beauty stores, online, and I've been curious to try something from them. I know they have like the viral, like, I don't know, sunscreen spray whipped cream thing, but I am a fragrance girly, so let's smell it. This bottle is so beautiful. Are you kidding me? That is really nice. I like that a lot. I have a feeling this is just gonna smell like straight beach weather, like straight up the beach, sunscreen, and happiness. Before I smell it, I want to talk about the notes. So it has coconut water, bergamot, solar musk, coconut milk, banana, pineapple, pool water, sea salt. This is gonna be really good. I'm happy. I don't have any perfume on, so let's give her a go. Oh my gosh, yeah, that's freaking good. Yeah, that's amazing. Oh my gosh. That's really good. I smell the banana a lot, which kind of really reminds me of like being at the beach, like that banana smell. Holy crap, that's freaking good. So this is their signature scent is what it says, so I guess it's gonna be like in all of their products, which is an amazing scent to have. Oh my gosh. It has pineapple, orange blossom, pool water. Like, are you kidding me? Like, this is so cool. Are you literally kidding me? I smell so good right now. So on the end of this little box that it came in, it says that it has a playful touch of an inflatable pool toy. And literally tell me why I smell that smell. Like the inflatable pool toy, I literally smell that at the very end of it. It's not too strong. It's not too bad at all. It's not bad actually at all. But this is like truly a vacation smell. Like truly. They literally nailed it. They nailed it with the brand, the representation, and the smell that's combined with it. It's perfect. I'm so sad we have 1 thing left in the box, and it is actually something I've been super excited to try. I've been seeing tubing mascara all over the Instagram, so I've been super excited to try it. It's from Blink. It's the Lash Extension Tubing Mascara. So it has a 90% curl, volume, length, and 100% of definition. I'm really intrigued in this because it just comes off like in little tubes. Like you don't have any mess on your face, and I feel like as much as I'm in the pool, this is just like something I really do need. No smearing is like something I really want. Here's what the packaging looks like. It's nice and simple, and I'm going to open it so you guys can see what the wand looks like. That looks like a really nice wand. There you go. I'm gonna try it. I already have mascara on, so I feel like it might not work too well, but I'm gonna try this tomorrow morning, and I'm gonna leave my review in the description box for you guys. but it's cruelty-free, clean, vegan, and gluten-free, and it has sustainable packaging. On the back of it, it also says it has shea butter, castor seed oil, and also biotin. So it's really going to help and give you like a lash extension effect while also nourishing your lashes. I am genuinely so excited to try every single thing in this video. Okay guys, that is it for this FabFitFun unboxing for summer 2024. I cannot wait to try all this stuff and leave my review down in the description box for you guys. Don't forget I have a seasonal and also an annual code. The seasonal one is ISABELLAFFF, which gets you 20% off your first box. And if you're looking for the annual subscription box, my code is going to be ISABELLAFFGIFT, and that's going to get you a $200 gift for annual. I have links down below to everything that I just talked about and also my codes listed in case you're a little confused on annual and also seasonal. But I will definitely be getting the next season's box because I am already just so thrilled to try out all these products and new brands that I've never heard of, so I'm definitely getting it. My quote of the day is actually a Bible verse, and it's 1 Corinthians 16:14, and it says, "Let all that you do be done in love." That speaks for absolutely every situation in this world and every interaction that you have with someone. Every single thing that you do should be done in love to the best of your ability. I love you guys so much. Thank you again, FabFitFun, for working with me on today's video. So thrilled, so honored, so happy. And let me know what box you guys choose to get down below and all the little customizations you guys do. And I'll see you guys in my very next video. Mwah. Bye, guys.